everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to introduce you some tools that we're using for hair cutting. First, I'm introducing shear, or we call it scissors too. This is the regular scissor. As you see, the blade is straight, the both side, and we're using for blunt cut or texturizing sometimes, or slide cut. Slide cut meaning is slide cut. We have another tools. It calls texturizing shear. As you see the difference between the regular shears and texturizing. This one, the blades has some teeth, so it means when you cutting with this blade, with this shears, the hair is not gonna cut all the hair, almost 1/3 of the hair. So when you holding the hair and cutting with this, you see still you cutting some and still you have some hair. This shear calls texturizing shear, sometimes thinning shears or taping shears. This one we're using for making soft and smooth, and sometimes when we having the haircut and we see the bulk, to remove the bulky or to make it smooth the hair and remove the line. The next one, we have a razor. Razor, if we're using for, if you need it for smooth and softer ends, we can use the razor too. And the technique is you holding hair, and when you holding the razor, you just sliding on the hair. And the last one, I'm introducing the clipper. We're using the clipper to make a very short, very short, almost close to skin, that sometimes is impossible to do it with scissors. In my next video, I'm gonna explain to you and show you how these tools works. Thank you for watching.